I would like to thank the faculties and the management of my college for switching to online lectures as soon as the pandemic began. This step was such a relief as I was very worried about the completion of my syllabus and, of course, my attendance.
Currently, we're going through a global pandemic and an ongoing lockdown, which has brought everything to a halt. Well, this pandemic halted us from continuing our education and went ahead to organize virtual classes, so we students do not miss our lectures during this lockdown period.
I would just like to take this opportunity to thank Dr. D Y Patil sir and our administration for providing us with this facility of the online learning classes.
Online lectures are conducted very systematically. We are provided with Vimeo and Zoom links and also with a timetable on our LMS, which is the Learning Management System. So, on scheduled date and time, we log in and attend the lectures according to the timetable.
It has truly been helpful in this time of our quarantine and lockdown, as we all know. Due to the corona pandemic, all of us have been locked into our houses for an indefinite period of time. Now, for most people, that would be something that they would enjoy because they have a lot of free time on their hands. But for students like us, it's something that we worry about because we have our portion to worry about, we have our exams to worry about. But thanks to these online learning classes, I think that helps us a lot. It's very interesting to be sitting at home but still learning our portion. We have great teachers who do a lovely job at it. We have Aarti ma'am who takes our food media. I would just like to say these are a great way of teaching and engaging us kids in this time when we have not much to do on our hands. It enables us to study at home and not waste our time and also prepare for our exams.
Let me tell you, the students love attending online lectures. They are more interesting than our normal lectures, which tend to get monotonous. We ask doubts and our faculties resolve them quickly. Also, it is great to see my batchmates as it is a lockdown situation everywhere.
Our chefs gave us live demonstration of dishes so that we can learn and practice them at home. With these daily sessions, we aren't missing out on our lectures or practicals. The lectures are recorded and saved on LMS so we can watch them in case we missed it live. Hats off to our amazing faculties who are doing a tremendous work by taking so much efforts in making sure we students learn everything which has been taught to us during this period.
And also I would like to just thank the administration and the teachers as well for how well the study material has also been prepared. We get assignments weekly to go hand in hand with our classes and how they keep us up to date with everything that is happening and also interacts with our students on a day-to-day basis so that we don't go rusty with our work.
My parents are really happy with these online sessions and are loving this new program of teaching.
I feel very confident to face my exams now.
Thank you so much ma'am, thank you so much sir for all these facilities.
Thanking all the faculties of D Y Patil for investing your time and attention on us. It would have not been possible without you all.
And we look forward to fabulous results in our exams.
Hope this situation subsides very soon. Till then, focus on your studies, stay indoors, enjoy with your family. Take care all of you. Thank you.